Alright, today I'm at the job site. We're gonna be replacing a cable. Actually, not replacing, installing a new cable. It looks like a homeowner upgraded their service. It looks like a 60 amp, I believe, or 100, I can't really tell. Uh, to 200 amp panel meter socket. And what they did, actually, they weren't gonna replace the cable at first, I'm assuming. They just end up putting a new meter right next to it, but then when an electrical company came in and they seen this rig, they made them call the electrician and fix this. So today I'll be installing a new riser, 4-aught SEU, and that should be hopefully pretty easy job. Hopefully the inspector not gonna make us replace the grounding system. I told the homeowner, I asked them what they want, if they wanted actually the new grounding system and me going over their new panel installation. They said they just want the new SCU cable ran, so that's exactly what I'm doing. I looked at the panel. I seen some stuff that I didn't really like. There was a big connector, I guess 1.25 inches, and there was like 10 conductors clamped under the same cable. So I specifically wrote up an invoice saying exactly what I'm doing, just because the homeowner didn't want me to do anything else besides what he hired me for. So that's what I'm doing today. Alright, I just wanted to show you what happens if you don't change your service on time. And they had, I guess, a new HVAC system installed and stuff, and it looks like this is a 60 amp stuff, 60 amp SCU, and basically it's been overheated and overloaded, and all the insulation, actually let me just use a screwdriver right here, it's crispy, it just falls off. This log I can't even unscrew because it's welded to the wire. And this is the rig that they made, homeowner. They just double tap the bottom of the new meter socket. Good thing the electrical company made them call the electrician to do it right. Another code violation. They're supposed to have a bushing, plastic bushing here. Anything over number 4 is supposed to have it. Right here, I'm gonna install that. And it doesn't look like they put any no logs there. I don't know, sometimes it just pays off. Do it right and hire somebody that knows what he's doing, I guess. Alright, this is the final product. The overhead service transformer. The height of the loop, the service ahead is 11 feet and 2 inches. Minimum supposed to be 10. Strapped. It's pretty high up there. It's supposed to be a strap within 12 inches. Non-metallic cable, and then 4.5 feet apart. It's a little overkill, but I don't like the way this is, but it was done by a homeowner or a different contractor. I was just doing a service feed coming from the loop down to the meter. I don't really like the way this looks. I was gonna have 2 service loops for future. I mean, it's a short run, so it's not a big deal. If ever have a problem, you can just replace the cable. But I was gonna do a service loop here too, but it was too sharp of a um, too sharp of an angle. I didn't want to damage the cable for in the future, so this one I just went straight down, and this gives me more room to work on the cable. No locks everywhere with the cup of the aluminum wire. I mean, this is number 6 to the ground rod. I didn't really do anything to the ground rods. The customer didn't want, all he wanted this cable, service cable. But I see one ground rod right here. I don't know where's the other one. The reason why this customer didn't want me driving ground rods, one of the reasons, because there is a water line somewhere, I guess a well, and they're not really sure where it is. So I guess I can look where the second ground rod, in case if the inspector gonna ask. I mean, see, there is a water line. I guess well is somewhere in the yard, so it's probably straight run water line. Yeah, I don't see the second ground rod. I mean, the wire goes somewhere. If the inspector is gonna wanna inspect it, I'll have to pull the grounding conductor out of the ground. So this is it, final project. I have few more stops to make today. There's 3 finals that we're on right now, and I just gotta do a cleanup over there. So this was pretty easy job, as long as the customer pays, because you never know nowadays. She seems like a really nice lady. I wish you don't have problems with her. Alright, till next time.